Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop. Whether you're setting up your accounting software for the first time or reinstalling it on a new computer, this process will get you up and running quickly so you can start managing your business finances right away. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official QuickBooks Downloads page. This is where Intuit hosts all the installation files for their desktop products. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure you're downloading legitimate software that's free from any security risks. Once you're on the downloads page, take a moment to locate your specific product version. You'll see options for QuickBooks Desktop Pro, Premier, or Enterprise Edition depending on what you purchased. It's important to download the correct version that matches your license, so double-check this before proceeding. Next, click the download link that corresponds to your product version. This will initiate the download process for the installer file. When the download prompt appears, choose Save or Save File to download the installer directly to your computer. Most browsers will save this to your Downloads folder by default, but you can choose a different location if you prefer. After the download completes, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file and open the downloaded installer. You'll see the QuickBooks Desktop installer window appear on your screen. If you receive a security prompt, click Run to allow the program to proceed with the installation. This is a standard security measure from Windows. The installer will now guide you through the setup process. First, you'll be presented with the license agreement. Take a moment to review it, then click I agree or accept to move forward. Without accepting these terms, you won't be able to continue with the installation. Now you'll be asked to choose your installation type. For most users, selecting Express Install is the best option as it automatically configures everything you need. However, if you're setting up QuickBooks on a network or have specific customization requirements, choose Custom and Network Install instead. Once you've made your selection, click Install to begin. The installation will now run automatically. This may take several minutes depending on your computer's speed, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. Once everything is complete, you'll see a final screen with either an Open QuickBooks or Finish button. Click it to launch the software for the first time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.